In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for tasks in Todoist. Being able to quickly find exactly what you're looking for is one of the most important skills in any task manager, and Todoist makes this really simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to use the search function and how to get the best results from it, even if you only remember a small detail about a task. First, open Todoist on your device. This can be the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version in your browser. The layout might look slightly different depending on where you're using it, but the search feature works in a very similar way everywhere. At the top of the screen, look for the search area. In many versions, it appears as a search bar or a small magnifying glass icon. Go ahead and click or tap on that search option. As soon as you do, Todoist will highlight the search field and get ready for you to type. Now, in the search box, start typing the task name or any details you remember about it. This could be the full task title, a single word that appears in the task, or even a phrase you used in the task description. You don't have to type perfectly or remember the exact wording. Todoist will begin showing matching tasks as you type, updating the results in real time. If you remember the exact name, type it in and you should see the task appear almost immediately. If you only remember part of it, try typing a keyword like report, meeting, or groceries, and then look through the list of results that appear. Often, you'll recognize the task from its context, such as the project it belongs to or its due date. You can refine what you type based on what you remember. For example, if you recall a specific detail you wrote in the task's description, type that word or phrase. Todoist searches not only the task title, but also the content associated with it, which makes it easier to find something even when your memory is a bit fuzzy. Once you see the task you're looking for in the results, simply click or tap on it to open it. From there, you can review its details, update the due date, change the project, or check it off.